teaches you to slow down, like a second of peace. I couldn't tell where the scent stopped and memory began. There's a softness you can't name, only feel, only feel. I didn't need to run, I needed to let it unfold. Figs and laundry, the sky's a little dusty. Let it unfold, let it unfold. It didn't have edges, it just kept expanding. I reached for it, and it reached back. Let it unfold, let it unfold. Held me like a breeze, stayed long enough to change me. It let me be still, and in that stillness I moved. It didn't say go, but everything in me did. It was given without asking. I opened without fear, not because it had to be, but because it could, but because it could. It didn't fill me up, it freed me. Let it unfold. Let it unfold. Let it unfold. Let it unfold. I wasn't looking for wings, just a reason to stay light. That moment holds me, it let me go. It didn't explode, it unfolded. It stayed just long enough to change me.